Hello, my name is Ishaan Gupte and I'm a 10th grader at JB Stevens High School in Edison, New Jersey. The name of my app is KnowB4UGo, which intends to provide a one-stop shop to help travelers stay up to date with the current travel requirements. This app can be used by any international traveler and is especially useful due to the frequent changes in travel rules caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The primary tool used was Facebook's React Native, which allows me to use a single TypeScript codebase for both iOS and Android by transpiling the code to Objective-C for iOS and Java for Android. The backend server was written in Java, which communicates with the State Department's API for travel information, the Aviation Stack API for flight information, and the UN API for COVID information. It also communicates with the PostgreSQL database, which is used to store user and trip information, and the Redis cache, which was implemented as a solution to solve latency. Now this leads us to the demonstration. To book a trip to London for Thanksgiving. First, I will log in with my Google credentials. Now on the dashboard, I can see some of my previous and upcoming trips. One is to India, which I have taken by air, and one is to Canada, which I will take by road. Now I will add a new trip. Because my destination is London, which is in England, I will select the United Kingdom. Now, because Thanksgiving is November 21st, that is the date I will select. Now, because I'm traveling alone, I will add myself. And I will put my age, which is 15. And because I'm vaccinated, I will select I'm vaccinated. I'll create my trip. And now it will appear over here. When I click on the trip, the dashboard will provide me with the relevant information. The most important is the CDC advisor, which advises me not to travel. Because this is level 4, it is in red. If I compare that to India, which is level 2, it will be in yellow, signifying the less severity of the situation. The rest, it will give me relevant COVID-19 information, and it will also tell me that I may need a negative COVID-19 test to enter the country. It also tells me that I may need a visa, and the Department of State encourages me to check with my embassy for travel restrictions. Now, since I'm okay with the restrictions, I will book my flight and I will enter my flight number. This will provide me with the relevant information for my flight. Now, if I was traveling by road, as I would be to Canada, I would see that the CDC advisor is level 3 and it tells me to reconsider my travel. Because it is also high, it is red. And because I selected that I am not vaccinated, it gives me a red indicator and tells me that the CDC encourages me to wear a mask and take a COVID-19 test.